Good morning, students. Now I want to today complete your this one and miscellaneous we are doing. So miscellaneous means what? Already that type of sum we have done. So you will complete this one. Here, though I have given one question as homework. Now question number 7. According to your new syllabus, it is not within the course and little I want to do. Suppose question number 6. How to do this one? They say the range what it will be. Here it is actually new form. That's why I want to write that one. That 6 is like that. Here f is equal to x comma x square by 1 plus x square and x belongs to R. So they say f is from R to R. What is range? Its meaning is what? That is fx equal to x square by 1 plus x square. Now if we take x belongs to R, then you see that always this will give what values. Then I want to also remind you, domain means set which contains the values of x, and range is what? That is set which contains all the values of fx. So that you have to remember when you think of this one, that what is domain, what is range. Domain means what? Set of all the values of x, and range means that is all the values of fx or y. So in this question, that is, they have said this domain. Domain that already mentioned that x belongs to R. This is real number is the domain, and if you put that is any real number, what can be the values of x? Suppose x equal to 0, f0 you have taken, 0 plus this, it is 0. But other values, if negative also if you put, due to square, it will turn into positive. Then any values, suppose f1, you will get 1 plus 1, that is half. So, and then if you continues to, then if you put minus 1 also, always you will get, that is a value less than 1. So we can say from that one that range is what? Therefore range becomes, yes, of course, 0 to 1. Just this type of way we have to show. Then 7 you don't do. Then question number 8. That is, this sum I will show because this is sometimes given in entrance also. So that's why question number 8 I am showing. Question number 8, they say that f is equal to some values given, and fx is given ax plus b. I found in some question they have said fx is a linear function. Linear function means fx equal to ax plus b. So now see how to do this one. Given question number 8 is 8. Given f is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, then minus 1, minus 3. Its meaning is what? That f1 is equal to 1. If meaning is f2 is equal to 3, its meaning is f0 is equal to minus 1, f minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So fx is equal to given ax plus b. So if we put f1, then it will be a into 1 plus b. So we get what? f1 is 1, 1 is equal to a plus b. This is our equation number 1. f0 is given what? Minus 1. So from this equation we can write a into 0 plus b is equal to minus 1. So we get b is what? Minus 1. Then from 1, if you put the value of b minus 1 here, then a minus 1 is equal to 1 gives a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1. Modified way they are giving. So in this way, you have to try all the sum. Now, as this is miscellaneous, so I leave these things. You have to do all sum of exercise. One teacher is impossible at doing because there is a time limit is there. You try it. If you fail to do, don't hesitate to ask. So that part for today. Now once or we will take class, next class, it is linear inequality. We want to do this also, and you are the full liberty to ask any doubt, anything from book. That part for today.